Hi, today I have REDMI Turbo and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. We start off opening settings application in it, scroll down and look for our, not settings, but we need to open calendar application and tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 25th of January. There this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. In this part we can access this event to group about what is it, about our events family or something like that. There we can add in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of it if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can also make video conference when event starts. Add our location of events, add notification about it, and we can add more than one and make custom notification, change color about our notification, add description and add attachment. After you add all you need, press save. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.